Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got an absolutely tremendous 911. This is a 2026 911 GT3 Touring with a 6-speed manual trimmed in paint to sample signal green. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here she is, 2026 911 GT3 Touring in paint to sample signal green. This is an incredible color. I've only ever seen this color one other time, and it was another paint to sample car, a Boxster Spider manual. Just really like this color. It's getting a little upstaged right now by some of these, some of the company around it, but let's just focus on this one for now. So this one comes to us, it's essentially new. It's got 20 miles on the odometer. I really don't think it's been driven a mile in anger beyond just the pre-delivery inspection drive and the drive to the gas station, which might have been the same drive. So absolutely immaculate car. Paint to sample on these is, if you guys know these cars, if you're watching, pretty difficult to get a hold of, so it's always awesome when you do see one up for sale. This one's particularly well optioned. I will start by touching on the ceramic composite brakes with the calipers in black behind those 20 and 21-inch staggered center lock wheels. This one has the PDLS matrix headlights in black, so we've got excellent lighting quality on this car. Dry carbon fiber hood, painted body color, of course. And if you don't know the GT3 Touring, it is the GT3 basically minus the wing and slightly more supple suspension, as I'm to understand. On the interior of the vehicle, quite a bit of money was spent on deviated stitching. So this is also in green, I believe signal green, although I don't have that directly in front of me to confirm. But one of the things I love about the GT3 Tourings too is this leather work on the door panels. I just think it looks so cool. It extends across the dashboard. I'll show you that here in just a moment. But yeah, lots and lots of deviated stitching, so just a really cohesive build. This one's been outfitted with the 18-way adaptive sport seats. We affectionately call them the sofas. So you have height, rake, lumbar, thigh extension, and your upper and lower bolsters all can be adjusted. These seats are heated. Got this sort of nice fabric pattern on the inside and then leather on the outside. This one's been optioned with the rear seat, which you can opt to not have in the GT3 and GT3 Touring. 6-speed manual transmission. You know, we're just not getting very many manuals anymore, unfortunately, much to my dismay. So I absolutely love to see it. There's our 3 pedals and the dead pedal. This has one of the best shifters I've ever interacted with. I mean, it just absolutely feels fantastic. It's just the right throw, just the right amount of feeling and feedback. And you can see more of that deviated stitching here on the steering wheel, on the dashboard, more of that really cool leather work that I mentioned before. Above our head, on the headliner and the pillar trims, is Racetex synthetic suede, along with the sun visors trimmed in the same material. Also want to mention the seats have the Porsche crest on the headrest. How could you not do that? And then more deviated stitching going across that center console. We've got some dark brushed, I believe this is stainless steel trim, also on the dashboard and on the door panels. Stereo on this one is from Bose. It's kept light as far as any sort of driver aids. Does not have blind spot indicators or adaptive cruise or lane keep assist or any of that nonsense. This is a pure driver's car. There we are. Just 20 miles on the odometer. And there's our tachometer with the 9,000 RPM red line. I wish I could start this thing up in the showroom and rev it for you, but it's got a soft limiter of 4,000 RPM anyway, so you're not going to be able to necessarily hear it in full anger. On the back of the car, I forgot to mention, it has the exclusive design taillights, so it's illuminated right now, but these are normally clear when the light is not on, as opposed to the standard red taillights. And then there's our GT3 Touring badge on the back, and that dual center exit exhaust. The car has such incredible presence. We'll do one last lap around the car, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay, once more, that is a high-level overview of our paint-to-sample Signal Green 2026 911 GT3 Touring with a 6-speed manual. Gosh, I love this car. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call. My direct phone line is area code 719-219-5015. And if you do me a favor, please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.